I told myself that this year I wanted to be a DIY girly, so I've been working on that. And one of the things that I wanted to learn to do was doing my own lash extensions. I've been getting my lash extensions done for like about a year now, and I love it. It does get costly, but I saw this advertisement on TikTok and it was showing the girls doing their lashes and it looked pretty easy and everyone was saying it was easy. So I was like, I definitely can do that. So I ordered some lashes off of Amazon. It's the B&Q lash kit. It comes with a whole bunch of lashes, the bond, the seal, lash remover, a tweezer, a brush. It had everything you needed and it's really to the point. So you start off by putting the base on there and you just put it on your root and you literally just you literally just take the lashes and just have a steady hand and just put it underneath. You want to go from the highest number, whatever you prefer of the lash look you're going for. You put the larger number on the outer perimeter of the eye and then you just put smaller ones on the inner portion of the eye. So as you can see, I was like really excited. I was really happy. I was like, wow, this is really easy like everyone says it is. So I just kept going. I just mapped it out. I knew the type of look I wanted to do. I like a little wispy, but I'm a fan of the doll eye now. I'm not saying that's what I was trying to do. I'm just saying when I used to get my lashes done, that's what I would get. But for a first timer, never doing lashes this type of way, completely easy. Nothing to be afraid of. You just want to make sure that you're holding that tweezer right, because that was the thing that I had to get adjusted in my hand the most. Trying to hold it in a certain way, put the lash on, and avoid trying to poke my eye. So it's pretty easy. Once you put it on the lashes, you just want to take the tweezer and just try to press it and make sure that it's firm and it's on that actual lash root. And it came out pretty cute. So at this point, I realized that, oh wow, this really is coming out tea. This is coming out really nice. So I did my right eye first, and that's my favorite side that I did. It was a little harder for me when I did my left eye, just because of, I'm not using my dominant hand. And so, yeah, but I went in with some of the seal, and you just press it up against the bottom portion of the lash and just add it near the root. And it was just, like I said, to the point and pretty easy. And I just did that. And then after that, I went in with the spoolie brush and just fluffed out the lashes. What I will say is that when I went in with the base, I think I put too much of it on my actual eyelash. So when it came to me like trying to brush out the lashes, it was a little difficult, and I kind of had to break some pieces off on the tip when I was doing it. But just try to focus on the base of the eyelash. Don't try to get it too much on it's like I was trying to put on mascara basically, and you don't want to do that with the base applicator. So clearly you see the difference. I always say, if you have a good skincare routine and lashes and some groomed brows, the face is gonna always just give. At least for me, I feel like it does. So on the other eye, I went in with that base again. I wanted to just put it on real evenly along the eye. And you don't want to forget about the inner portion lashes, because you want to be able to fit some lashes there, because you just don't want it to look scarce. So I did that, and then I just started adding the pieces. So my lash map, I did 2 16s, 2 15s, a 14, 13, 12, 10, and a 9. And then this is when I hit my eye and I panicked and I thought I was gonna die, and I ended up looking like no neck Ed. Yeah. That's exactly how I was looking. And I was just I don't know why I'm crazy, but the struggle was real. So that's why I say be careful when you put these lashes on. I think the lash wasn't secure and it fell into my eye, which irritated it, and then some of that adhesive was on it. So yeah, I definitely felt like I almost lost my life. But be very careful, very, very careful when you do this. So I survived and I just continued on. As you can see, I was stressed, but I was happy that one went on easy. And I just continued that process on this eye. I didn't want my lashes to be so full since it was my first time, but some girls, they'll do 2 layers of the lashes. So they'll follow the same pattern and then they'll put like a second row so it could have like that mega volume look. But I just wanted something that was a somewhat natural and just look like, when you get a mega set volume and it starts falling out like towards the end, that's how I wanted it to be. So this one I had like a little split lash, so I ended up using half of it to go on each side of the eye. So I just put some more glue on there and then I just popped it on the side because it could fit. And after that I went in with the seal and I added it to the end so it could stay, and then I just positioned it again. I went back to the side that I did and fully sealed it up, and I'm in love with it, and it seems like it's gonna last. If it could last you a week, that's great. But it's definitely, I don't even think I paid more than $20 for this kit on Amazon. So I will link it in the description box, and this is how it looked. And I feel like you can't beat that. And as long as you take care of them, you have to have good eye hygiene when you have this because it can easily go left. You don't want to have an eye infection or to get buildup or mites. So just keep them clean. And I just went in with a spoolie afterwards and brushed them out, and this is the finished look. So go run and get yours. Very easy, very affordable, and really cute. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars to get your lashes done. I'm guilty of it. I have done it, but this is a great option and it's quick. You can literally do this like in 10 minutes. I'm filming, so it takes me a little longer, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.